परमशिवोऽहम्। ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्। ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्।
I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes. I welcome you all with my love and respect. Let you all open all your three eyes.
Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम्
Connecting with the divine with your eyes closed is meditation. Connecting with the divine with your eyes open is darshan. Come, let us all now move from meditation to darshan. Slowly, very slowly, please open your eyes.
ரூபத்திலே மன்னவன் Every day during the Chitre Perula Brahmotsavam, Somasundareshwara Swami and Devi Meenakshi grace in the morning and in the evening and go throughout the town. The Utsava Vigrahas are the deities that come out of the temple and grace the streets of Madurai. Today morning, the deities will come on the Tangasaparam, the golden carriage. The Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, has beautifully graced us. The Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, has beautifully graced us all today on the 5th day of the Chitre Perula. We have the opportunity to witness the Yatra of Meenakshi Sundareshwara live broadcasted from Kailasa, Madurai. When the deities are coming, it is the most excited and the most anticipated thing that so many devotees get ready for in the morning, preparing themselves with a beautiful dress, jewelry, and all of the Tirumula Varga Vedam. We sit and stand waiting for Devi Meenakshi and Somasundareshwara. Just the anticipation and the excitement in waiting for them makes the whole day so special. When the deities are coming, it is Paramashiva Sundareshwara himself coming, Paramashiva Shakti Meenakshi herself coming. The Nijavatara and the Archavatara are one and the same. The original manifestation of Meenakshi, as she lived powerfully with a tall 8.5-foot body, and the embodied manifestation of Meenakshi as a deity who will be gracing in a few moments, are both one and the same. Darshana is the obtainment of the glimpse of the divine image. We are indeed very fortunate today to have both the Darshana of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, who is the Paramavatara, the Nijavatara of Meenakshi Sundareshwara, along with the darshan of the Archavatara, the deities of Meenakshi and Sundareshwara. The Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, is bringing the possibility for as a nation of Hindus. This can only be conceptualized and actualized by one who had done it before. The undertaking of such a huge work of building a nation from scratch in the modern day is possible by the one who has the very bio-memory of Devi Meenakshi herself. The Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, has proved through the powerful vision and manifestation of Kailasa, the only Hindu nation, that he is the choicest leader that Meenakshi was for the world in Madurai. When Meenakshi reigned, the whole world was at peace. The whole world was in such harmony. Along with Somasundareshwara, they created a new civilization. We are now witnessing the temple elephants grandly beginning the procession, beautifully decorated with the Bhasma ash and the color cloths led by the Mahout. Now we are witnessing the first deity, Mahaganapati. Mahaganapati is the first deity in the Hindu Sampradayas, which is worshipped. All Sampradayas worship Mahaganapati, no matter if they are Shakta or Vaishnava or Shaiva. All Sampradayas worship Mahaganapati first. His favorite offerings of the Dhruva grass, the Argambul, is offered to Mahaganapati. He is the remover of obstacles. He is the one who brings auspicious beginnings. That is why we worship him first, and he is the Adhipati who leads the Ghanas, and that's why he is also named as Ghanapati, the leader of the Ghanas, the devotees and servants of Kailasa, the powerful beings of Kailasa. Next, we have Paramashiva's second son, we are offering our worship to Mahaganapati. Next we have Subramanya Swami gracing a unique Alankar of Subramanya. We're offering from Kailasa and Madurai our pranams and flower garlands. Next, the Lord himself, Somasundareshwara Swami, gracing in the golden carriage, the Tangasabram, Sokkanada, as he is dearly called by all the devotees. Beautifully, the priests are garlanding him. A beautiful crown Sokkanada is wearing today, which is having the red color ratna, the red color jewels. He also graces with the Tarumula Varga Vedam, the traditional Bhasma and Rudraksha malas. In the temple, the Yagashala Puja has completed. The Homa is done to protect and create protective energy for the deities. They grace, though, they come around the city. They also receive morning Abhisheka, the sacred bath, and then only come out of the temple. Here in Kailasa, Madurai, we are offering the Mandagapadi. Behind him is Devi Meenakshi herself. Beautifully, the rising sun is falling onto Devi Meenakshi's Alankara. We are offering the Deeparadhana. The Prasada of Sukhanada is given to us in Kailasa, Madurai. Devi Meenakshi is now gracing right before the steps of Kailasa and Madurai. We can behold her beautiful darshan. She is standing in the Tangasaparam, wearing a beautiful purple color abharanam. We are offering our pranams and flower garlands at her divine lotus feet. The tambalam plate full of fruits and betel leaves is the traditional offering given to Meenakshi. Behind Meenakshi Devi, we are witnessing the deity of Chandikeshwara Swami, the chief accountant, integrity officer of Kailasa. We're offering our pranams and offering the flower garlands to him. now be witnessing the grand procession where the Utsav Vigrahas of Meenakshi Paramashivati, Bhagavan Somasundareshwara, Mahaganapati, Brahmanya Swami and Chandeshwar Swami, and the Utsava Vigraha of Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Parameswaram, are taken around the temple in Adi Kailasa Nidapita, along with the chanting of the Vedic mantras describing the glory and powerfulness of Meenakshi Devi. Let us now get ready with this auspicious ritual.
नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिव समारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरी परमशिव शक्ति मध्यमां नित्यानन्दपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। राधे त्रिपुण्ड्रे तिलकृतकस्तूरी तिलकः स्फुरन्मालाधार स्फुरितकटिकौपीनवसनः दधानो दुस्तारं शिरसि फणिराजं शशिकलां प्रदीपः सर्वेषाम् अरुणगिरियोगी विजयते। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातने गुणाश्रये श्रीत्यानन्देश्वरी परमशिव शक्ति मीनाक्षी देवी नमो नमः। कर्पूर नीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षान् धारयामि। शिवानंद पीयूषरत्नाकरस्थां शिव ब्रह्म विष्णुमरेशाभिवन्द्यां शिवध्यानलग्नां शिवज्ञानमूर्तिं शिवाख्यामतीतां भजे पाण्ड्यबालां शिवादिस्फुरत्पञ्चमञ्चाधिरूढां धनुर्बाणपाशाङ्कुशोद्भासि हस्तां नवीनार्कवर्णां नवीनेन्दुचूडां परब्रह्मपत्नीं भजे पाण्ड्यबालां किरीटाङ्गदोभासि माङ्गल्यसूत्रां स्फुरन्मेखलाहारताटङ्गभूषां परामन्त्रकां पाण्ड्यसिंहासनस्थां परन्धामरूपां भजे पाण्ड्यबालां स्निग्धफालेन्दुभागां लसन्नीरजोद्फुल्लकल्हारसंस्थां ललाटे क्षणार्धाङ्गलग्नोज्ज्वलाङ्गीं परन्धामरूपां भजे पाण्ड्यबालां त्रिखण्डात्मविद्यां त्रिबिन्दुस्वरूपां त्रिकोणे लसन्तीं त्रिलोकावनम्रां त्रिबीजाधिरूढां त्रिमूर्त्यात्मविद्यां परब्रह्मपत्नीं भजे पाण्ड्यबालाम्.
This Meenakshi Stotram is called as the Yoga Meenakshi Stuti, written by sage Agastya. Sage Agastya is the Rajguru of the kingdom of Pandya during the time of Malayadhwaja. The meaning of this stotra is very powerful. It says, I shall meditate upon the goddess Sri Meenakshi, who is the daughter of the king of Pandya, who is the cause of delight of Shiva, who takes immense pleasure in her presence, who is worshipped by Paramashiva, Brahma, Vishnu and all the deities. She is immersed in meditation of Paramashiva and she is personified as the preceptor who imparts knowledge in faith of Paramashiva. She is the provider of happiness and fortune. I shall now meditate upon Goddess Sri Meenakshi, who is the daughter of the king of Pandya, who is the Pandya Bala, who majestically is seated on the marvelous throne, who carries the bow and arrow and the pasha and ankusha. We will now offer the Deeparadhana to Devi Meenakshi and Somasundareshwara here in Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peeta Sarvajna Peeta.
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते. सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातने गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते. शरणागतदीनार्तपरित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्ति हरे देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते. श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव सोमसुंदरेश्वर स्वामी समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी परमशिव शक्ति मीनाक्षी देवी नमः. कर्पूर नीराजनं संदर्शयामि रक्षान्धारयामि. सदा बिन्दुमध्योल्लसद्वेणिरम्यां समुत्तुङ्गवक्षोजभारावनम्रां वनन्नो पुरोपेतलाक्षारसार्द्रं पुरत्पादपद्मां भजे पाण्ड्यबालां. यमाद्यष्टयोगाङ्गरूपामरूपाम् अकाराक्षकारान्तवर्णामवर्णाम् अखण्डामनन्यामचिन्त्यामलक्ष्या ममेयात्मविद्या भजे पाण्ड्यबालां. सुधासागरान्ते मणिद्वीपमध्ये लसत्कल्पवृक्षोज्ज्वलद्बिन्दुचक्रे महायोगपीठे शिवाकारमञ्चे सदा सन्निषण्णां भजे पाण्ड्यबालां. सुषुम्नान्तरन्ध्रे सहस्रारपद्मे रविभक्तिसंयुक्तचिच्चक्रमध्ये सुधामङ्गलस्ते सुनिर्वाणपीठे सदा सञ्चरन्तीं भजे पाण्ड्यबालां. शरन्ते नवान्ते लसद्वादशान्ते महाबिन्दुमध्ये सुनादान्तराळे शिवाख्ये कलातीतनिःशब्ददेशे सदा सञ्चरन्तीं भजे पाण्ड्यबालाम्
I shall meditate upon Goddess Meenakshi, who is the daughter of the king of Pandya, who is bedecked with a marvelous crown in the Mangalya Sutra and spreads intense beauty. She is decorated with various precious ornaments and has the crescent moon upon her head and marvelous earrings. She is the symbol of all the sacred hymns of the Vedas. She is majestically seated upon the throne of the kingdom of Pandya. She is Parandhama, the one who cannot be perceived through the senses. I shall meditate upon Goddess Shri Meenakshi, who is the daughter of the king of Pandya. Her beautiful forehead is of superior beauty. She has beautiful ornaments and she is the symbol of Parandhama. I shall meditate upon the goddess Shri Meenakshi, who is the daughter of king of Pandya. She represents the dimensions of Atma Vidya and the three dimensions of Bindu. She dwells in the Trikona and the Trikonavana. She symbolizes the Tribija and the supreme intellect of the Trimurti. She is the consort of Parabrahma. I shall meditate upon the lotus feet of Goddess Shri Meenakshi, who is the daughter of the king of Pandya. We will now offer the Deepa Aradhana to Somasundareshwara Swami in Meenakshi Devi in Adi Kailasa Nityananda Pita, Satrajna Pita.
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातने गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते शरणागत दीनार्थ-परित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्ति हरे देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव सोमसुंदरेश्वर स्वामी समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी परमशिव शक्ति मीनाक्षी देव्ये नमो नमः। कर्पूर नीराजनं संदर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि।
We are now witnessing in Madurai the darshan of Somasundareshwara Swami and Meenakshi Devi. We are now seeing and having darshan of Meenakshi Devi. This morning procession in Madurai on the 5th day of the Chitrai Peruvila. She graces on the Tangasapparam, the golden carriage, wearing precious jewels and gems. Let us offer to her the Yoga Meenakshi Stotram.
चतुर्मार्ग मध्ये सुकोणान्तरङ्गे हरन्ध्रे सुधाकार कूपान्तराले निरारम्भ पद्मे कदा षोडशान्ते सदा सञ्चरन्तीं भजे पाण्ड्यबालाम् पुटद्वन्द्वनिर्मुक्तवायुप्रलिन नराले ध्रुवोपेतरम्ये महाषोडशान्ते मनोनाशदेशे सदा सञ्चरन्तीं भजे पाण्ड्यबालां चतुष्पत्रमध्ये सुकोणत्रयान्ते त्रिमूर्त्याधिवासे त्रिमार्गान्तराळे सहस्रारपद्मोचितां चित्रकाश प्रवाहप्रलीनां भजे पाण्ड्यबालां लसद्वादशान्ते तु पीयूषधारा वृतां मूर्तिमानन्दमग्नान्तरङ्गां परां त्रिस्तनीं तां चतुष्कूटमध्ये परन्धामरूपां भजे पाण्ड्यबालां सहस्रारपद्मे सुषुम्नान्तमार्गे स्फुरच्चन्द्रपीयूषधारां पिबन्तीं सदा श्रावयन्तीं सुधामूर्तिमम्बां परं ज्योतिरूपां भजे पाण्ड्यबालां नमस्ते सदा पाण्ड्यराजेन्द्रकन्ये नमस्ते सदा सुन्दरेशाङ्गवासे नमस्ते नमस्ते सुमीनाक्षि देवी नमस्ते नमस्ते पुनस्ते नमोस्तु।
We'll now offer the Deepa Aradhana to Meenakshi and Somasundareshwara Swami here in Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peeta Sarvagna Peeta.
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते शरणागतदीनार्थपरित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्तिहरे देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव सोमसुंदरेश्वर स्वामी समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी परमशिव शक्ति मीनाक्षि देवी नमो नमः। कर्पूर नीराजनं संदर्शयामि रक्षान्धारयामि।
Here in Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Devalaya at Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peeta Sarvagna Peeta, the Utsava Vigrahas of Devi Meenakshi Paramashiva Shakti is gracing on the Rajata Ashwavahana, the silver horse vehicle. The Utsava Vigraha of Bhagavan Somasundareshwara and Devi Periyavidayamman are gracing on the Swarna Rishabhavahanam. Along with them, the Panchamurtis of Mahaganapati, Shri Subramanya Swami and Shri Chandikeshwara Swami are gracing in Sarvalankara. We are also graced by Devi Mahamari Amman on the occasion of the 28th day of the Pachyavatni Vratam and the Utsava Vigraha of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, is gracing also in the Alankaram of Devi Meenakshi Paramashiva Shakti on the Ashwavahana. We are also now witnessing the Nityannadanam, the distribution of prasada to all the devotees of Madurai in Kailasa, Madurai. During the Chitre month, Madurai has a flood of millions of devotees, and all of them come through the Amman Sannidhi street to enter into the temple of Meenakshi. We are witnessing the Annadhana service from the Shyamala Peeta Sarvagna Peeta. Food is the basic necessity of life. The pilgrims, with a deep devotion, are dropping all their karmas at the feet of Meenakshi Sundareshwara. The whole temple ambience rejuvenates and celebrates the presence of Meenakshi and Sundareshwara. When they receive the food, it is serving Paramashiva himself. the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, has blessed the Shyamala Pita Sarvajna Pita, Kailasa Madurai, to give continuous Annadan, distributing free meals. 11 items are there in number for all of the devotees. The prasada is cooked and offered to the deities of Meenakshi and Sundareshwara inside the Shyamala Pita Sarvajna Pita. And all ingredients and the way that the food is cooked is as per Mahadeva's Pakashastra that describes the most healthy way to live and healthy food to consume for a yogic living and for power manifestation. We are now witnessing the devotees are taking the meals of the prasada of Somasundareshwara and Meenakshi Devi. In the auspicious presence of our beloved Bhagavan, the ultimate manifestation, Paramavatara of Paramashiva, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, on the auspicious occasion of the 5th day celebrations of Chitre Pilavila, let us offer our worship at the feet of Mahaganapati, Subramanya Swami, Chandigeshwara Swami, Devi Meenakshi Paramashiva Shakti, Bhagavan Somasundareshwara, Devi Priyavade Amman, and Devi Mahamari Amman, and the deity of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramashivam, and seek their grace and blessings.
शिवध्यानलग्नां शिवज्ञानमूर्तिं शिवाख्यामतीतां भजे पाण्ड्यबालां शिवादिस्फुरत्पञ्चमञ्चाधिरूढां धनुर्बाणपाशाङ्कुशोद्भासिहस्तां नवीनाकवर्णां नवीनेन्दुचूडां परब्रह्मपत्नीं भजे पाण्ड्यबालां किरीटाङ्गदोद्भासि माङ्गल्यसूत्रां स्फुरन्मेखलाहारताटङ्गभूषां परामन्त्रकां पाण्ड्यसिंहासनस्थां परन्धामरूपां भजे पाण्ड्यबालाम् चक्षुषा प्रेक्षे माभिर्मा संविक्ता वाहि गुंसिषम् श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव सोमसुंदरेश्वर स्वामी समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी परमशिव शक्ति मीनाक्षी देव्यै नमः। धूपमाघ्रापयामि। स्वजात वेदोपघ्निर्निरर्दिं मम पशुभिश्चमह्यमावह जीवनं शदिशो दिशा मानो हि गुंसि जात वेदो कामश्वं पुरुषं जगते अभिभ्रदग्नागहि श्रिया मा परिपातया। श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव सोमसुंदरेश्वर स्वामी स्वामी समेत नित्यानंदेश्वरी परमशिवशक्ति मीनाक्षी देवी नमो नमः। श्री इंद्राक्षी देवी नमो नमः। दीपं संदर्शयामि। मधुवातारतायते मधुक्षरन्ति सिन्धवः माध्वीर्न सन्तोषधीः मधुनक्तबुदोषसि मधुमत्पार्थिवगुम्रजः मधुद्योरस्तु नः पिता मधुमानो वनस्पतिर्मधुमागुम् अस्तु सूर्यः माध्वीर्गावो भवन्तु नः मधु मधु मधु। श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर सोमेश्वर स्वामी समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी परमशिव शक्ति मीनाक्षी देवी नमो नमः। श्री इंद्राक्षी देवी नमो नमः। अमृतं महानैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। नैवेद्यानन्तरमाचमनं समर्पयामि। नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव सोमसुंदरेश्वर स्वामी समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी परमशिव शक्ति मीनाक्षी देवी नमो नमः। श्री सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। कर्पूर नीराजनं संदर्शयामि। रक्षां धारयामि। उद्यद्भानुसहस्रकोटिसदृशां केयूरहारोज्ज्वलां बिम्बोक्षीं स्मितदन्तपङ्क्तिरुचिरां पीताम्बरालङ्कृतां विष्णुब्रह्मसुरेन्द्रसेवितपदां तत्त्वस्वरूपां शिवां मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां निधिं मुक्ताहारलसत्किरीटरुचिरां पूर्णेन्दुवक्त्रप्रभां सिञ्चन्नोपुरकिङ्किणीं मणिधरां पद्मप्रभाभासुरां सर्वाभीष्टफलप्रदां गिरिसुतां वाणीरमासेवितां मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारानिधिं श्रीविद्यां शिववामभागनिलयां ह्रीङ्कारमन्त्रोज्ज्वलां श्रीचक्राङ्कितबिन्दुमध्यवसतिं श्रीमत्सानायीं श्रीमच्छण्मुखविघ्नराजजननीं श्रीमज्जगन्मोहिनीं मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां निधिं श्रीमत्सुन्दरनायकीं भयहरां ज्ञानप्रदां निर्मलां श्यामाभां कमलासनार्चितपदां नारायणस्यानुजाम् वीणावेणुमृदङ्गवाद्यरसिकाम् नानाविधामम्बिकाम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहम् कारुण्यवारानिधिम् नानायोगिमुनीन्द्रहृत्सुवसतिम् नानार्थसिद्धिप्रदाम् नानापुष्पविराजिताम् ऋजुगलाम् नारायणेनार्चिताम् नादब्रह्ममयीं परात्परतराम् नानार्थतत्त्वात्मिकाम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहम् शोणाद्रीशावताराय ज्योतिस्तमस्वरूपिणे श्रीकैलासप्रधानाय मङ्गलम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रदाताय नित्यानन्देश्वररूपिणे श्रीकैलासप्रधानाय नित्यानन्दाय मङ्गलम् मूलप्रकृतिरूपाय परमशिवशक्तिस्वरूपिणे श्रीकैलासप्रधानाय नित्यानन्दाय मङ्गलम् दण्डत्रिशूलहस्ताय कालकालस्वरूपिणे श्रीकैलासप्रधानाय नित्यानन्दाय मङ्गलम् आदिपूज्याय देवाय सकृत्पूर्णस्वरूपिणे श्रीकैलासप्रधानाय नित्यानन्दाय मङ्गलम् सर्वाभयविनाशकाय शत्रुसंहाररूपिणे श्रीकैलासप्रधानाय नित्यानन्दाय मङ्गलम् योगपट्टाभिषिक्ताय राजसन्न्यासधारिणे श्रीकैलासप्रधानाय नित्यानन्दाय मङ्गलम् सार्वभौमैकपत्याय राजराजार्चिताय च श्रीकैलासप्रधानाय नित्यानन्दाय मङ्गलम् मङ्गलम् कल्पवृक्षाय मङ्गलम् ज्ञानदायिने परमशिवाय श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वराय मङ्गलम् मङ्गलम् श्रीविद्याम्बायै मङ्गलम् कामदायिन्यै सर्वमङ्गलदात्री नित्यानन्देश्वर्यै मङ्गलम् मङ्गलम् गुरुदेवाय मूलाय मङ्गलम् परावताराय नित्यानन्दाय गुरवे मङ्गलम् त्वं स्मृतमहं धन्य मम प्राणमहेश्वर गङ्गाधरनामेति स्तोत्रस्थानं ददाम्यहम्.
Thank you for joining on the morning rituals of the 5th day celebrations of the Chittirai Peruvizha. The celebrations will continue throughout the day with the offering of various homas and rituals, culminating with another grand procession and puja. We invite you today evening for the continued celebrations of the 5th day of the Chittirai Peruvizha. Thank you. Nityanandam.
Kaasi शिवशङ्करि शापविमोचनि शोकविनाशिनि शास्त्रत्वे शिवसहिते शिवशम्भुशुभङ्करि शुम्भनि शुम्भपदास्तत्वे सकलमनोहरि सुन्दरि सर्ववशङ्करि शङ्करतु